What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this channel, that means you really want to learn how to play neo soul, R&B, and or gospel. So I did a review on this guitar by this brand, Donner. This particular series is called the Seeker series, and I felt what better way for you to really know what the guitar can do than just listen to it, right? So let's just take a listen to it. I'm going to play the same riff. I'm going to go through all 5 selections, and then I'm going to do a little overdrive so you can hear. I asked for this one specifically because it has a configuration that I like, the HSS. That's my vibe. But the guitar is beautiful, as I already said in another video. But let's just take a listen to how it sounds. It feels good in my hands, and yeah, let's just take a listen. So here we go. This is in the first position, or for those that play, I think it's the 5th position, or this is the neck pickup. So. All right, next position. All right, next position. Next position. All right, cool. Let me get it in tune. So the guitar feels really good in my hands. It plays really well. I just don't have it set up to how I would play it just yet. But initially, it feels good. All right, last pickup. Now let's take it for the overdrive test run. All right, cool. So now I made like a little track so we can play along with the track so you can hear how it sounds with the track. Here we go. Alright, cool. So now you have it, you've heard it. This is the Donner guitar that has called the Seeker series. Man, sweet guitar, sounds great, feels great, plays great. Definitely give the guy a try. If you're looking for a brand new guitar, if you're like in the market of like, I'm trying to just buy a guitar and I don't have a lot of money, check these guys out, man. Donner, they got some really cool stuff, man. It'll definitely help you out if you're a beginner, intermediate, or even if you're an advanced guy, you just want a guitar that feels good, plays good, that you can kind of really play around. I just showed you like all the pickups, what it sounds like, but overdrive playing with the track. You can hear how I would dig into it. Sounds great, man. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Hi there, I'm Kerry, and thank you so much for watching this video. There's so much awesome content on this channel that's going to help you unlock the fretboard and play the way that you've always wanted to play. So go ahead, click the subscription button and the bell right over here, and keep getting more awesome videos and the content that I'm going to post at least once a week. So thank you for watching, keep on practicing, and I'll see you soon.